Hello everybody, here we are today and we're going to unbox this wonderful piece of equipment we bought today. We bought it on Amazon. It's a tripod from the company called Neewer. So it had arrived yesterday in a cardboard box, and inside was this. So there is a free carrying bag for it, because I wasn't sure if they're going to supply that or not, but it arrived, so it's very good. I like that. And here we are, here is the tripod. So it came with some paperwork. Yeah, dear customer, thank you very much for the purchase, lovely. Here's the user's manual. Okay. Which is quite obvious if you already worked with tripods before. We probably don't need to have a look at this much. And this is what we have. This is the tripod. Okay, I like this handle. Handle that you can carry it with. That's lovely. It's actually quite light. I thought it might be heavier. So let's release this and see what happens. I'm planning to use this tripod mainly for photography, but as you can see it moves quite smoothly, the head, so you can use it for video as well. And this will perfectly work for your Nikon or Canon cameras, as well as for Sony. So this was easy. I'm honestly opening it just now for the first time in front of the camera here. Here the legs move out nicely, and they're pretty long. You know, they have a whole range of lengths. I went for the bigger one, for the biggest. Or actually not, this is not the longest tripod, but it's pretty long. I have a friend who has the smallest one, and he said, just go for a bigger one and see. Okay, these legs, well, they move a little bit, but okay, when they are tight, they are fine. So this is a pretty long tripod. Actually, I'm planning to take it out tomorrow to the beach to film some sunrise. So let's see how that works tomorrow, but I don't see any problems. I think this will do the job pretty well. Easy tripod costs around, I don't know, 30-40 pounds or dollars. Not expensive at all. And lightweight. Of course, it's not a best known brand, but I think it will work fine. Just have to make sure that tomorrow when I am on the beach, I'll put these legs in plastic bags, because I don't want to get all the sand in it. So yeah, this is cool. Here. Lovely. Yeah, I will definitely recommend it so far. I have to try it, but I think this is going to work fine. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you have any comments, any questions, just post them under the video. Take care.